We're at the Center for Puppetry Arts in Atlanta.
What are you going to do?
The dolphin show.
Oh, she's gonna do a dolphin show.
My turn. No, Maple. How are you? My name's the dolphin. I'm Mr. Dolphin. How are you? I'm a puppet. I'm a puppet. How are you? My name's Mr. Maple. I like you. I like you. How are you? I'm Mr. Dolphin.
It's time to play the music. It's time to light the light. It's time to meet the Muppet on the Muppet Show tonight.
We're at the Center for Puppetry Arts, which is the biggest puppet museum in the whole country. We get to walk through and see the whole history of Jim Henson and the Muppets and the creation of Sesame Street, Fraggle Rock, Dark Crystal, all that stuff. First we saw a puppet show. It was called Harold and the Purple Crayon.
What are we going to see?
The puppet show. Yeah.
How do you feel about the puppet show?
And then we went into the store. Usually I like to go in the store last, but we went in the store next.
Who is that, Maple?
A brown, Papa. A brown.
A what?
A brown.
A brown?
A brown.
A brown elephant?
So we couldn't get out of the store for a good half hour, and we couldn't get out of the store without buying 2 puppets. I'm so excited. Hi. Susan Nerver, a 19-year-old puppeteer. You got it, girl. You got it, girl.
Around here, Maple. Hello, Alice.
Maple, say I'm Big Bird.
No, not the store yet.
And
We go in the
Big
store at the
Bird.
end.
Say I'm Big Bird.
Come out.
A big bird,
Come
Papa.
out. Well, I was a total Muppet kid growing up. I had all the toys and shirts and everything. I mean, Muppets were like my world when I was a kid. Red was my favorite. Like every time we went to some kind of a store, I always wanted to get the red doll. She had a ton of energy. I love Fraggle Rock the best because it was a little bit scary. One was when they go into this tunnel. It was like a little bit scary.
Don't touch it, no more!
I remember being like 3 years old watching that. I also really liked the main guy, is it Uncle Matt the Explorer? He was kind of like an anthropologist, and he'd go into the real world and study humans and all the weird things that humans did.
Interestingly, the silly creatures of this world seem to like the sidewalk creatures. They carry pockets of food for them.
And I just got such a kick out of that. Yeah, Fraggle Rock is the best. The special exhibit is the Dark Crystal exhibit, so that's pretty exciting.
That's a mystic.
What's his name?
Uruk.
Walk.
Uruk.
Hulk.
Uruk.
Oh, Hulk.
Uruk.
Oh, Hulk.
Uruk.
Oh, Hulk.
Ur-
That's a nice name.
She's a woman. She's so ugly. She's beautiful.
Make an Audra face.
You want me to make an Agra face?
Yeah.
Can you make an Agra face too?
Yeah.
Can you make a Jen face?
No, Papa.
Can you make Jen hands?
Jen was probably the hardest character I've ever manipulated.
That's Jen and Kira.
Yeah.
Aren't they awesome?
Yeah.
This is Jen.
Together then.
And that's Kira.
Oh, hi, Kira.
That's Fizzgig.
Hi, Fizzgig.
No, Fizzgig. You stay here. Dole.
Fizzgig goes. Can you do that?
Yes, I'm breastfeeding in a Muppet exhibit. After the third baby, you just can't care anymore. There's no one in here right now. It's really neat for them to see the sets of a puppet show, to see how the sets are built up really high so the puppeteers can fit under.
Hold the puppet up on the couch. Do you see the puppet up there?
Yeah.
Look at your... Oh, where's Maple's shoes? What happened to 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 your shoes? What happened to your shoes, Maple? What happened to your shoes, Maple?
Again.
What happened to your shoes, Maple? What happened to your shoes, Maple?
Again.
What happened to your shoes, Maple? What happened to your shoes, Maple? What happened to your shoes, Maple? I don't see them.
Again.
Oh my god. Some sets can't be built up high, like sometimes puppeteers have to work within a regular set or like on location. So they've got these rigs set up and like kind of like chairs / lounge things for puppeteers to lay on. And Linden and Maple have been playing on that for a while.
Maple, there's another chair. There's another super chair there. Michael, you can lay here.
Apparently at the end of this exhibit, there's a workshop where you can make your own puppet. We're in the puppet workshop upstairs and the girls get to make their own puppets out of paper and glue and brads and stickers and scissors and tape. Even Olive's having a good time. You look like a little Muppet.
We're going to do the body, and we're going to do the head.
It looks like a penguin.
It does look like a penguin. You put it through there.
Oh, that's what it's for.
Now we're going to add the leg, because you can't be a mouse without the legs. You can't be a mouse without a tail. So I'm going to give you a piece of tape. There you go. You want to put your fingers through here on top? And then you can move the head, or you can do that too. That works too. And now you can decorate. You could get some markers and crayons. You could give your mouse maybe some eyes.
Yeah.
You're amazing.
Thank you, too. Okay. All right. Have at it.
We don't eat poo. What did you say?
We don't eat glue.
Maple's pretty happy.
I know, Billy.
You draw a belly.
I made it green.
You made it green. Are you proud?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too. The museum was so much fun that everyone is so tired. Olive's out, Maple's out, on me.
Maple. Maple, I love you, Maple.
Linden, don't wake her up. No,
Maple.
don't wake her up.
Maple.
That's not cool.
Linden, don't do that.
Hi, yo. Oh no, the puppet show's so pretty.
Oh, it's not ready. Show's not ready, Mama.
Sit down,
Mama,
guys.
sit down.
Okay.
Sit down, guys.
Are you gonna do a puppet show for me?
Yes. Sit down, guys.
Okay.
Sit down, Papa.
Okay.
Sit down. Sit down, everybody.
Okay.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, everybody. Sit down, Mama. Sit down, Mama. Sit down, Mama. This puppet show will get in really trouble. My name's Elsa. I'm a queen.